and a warm welcome. Daily I talk about various scam and legit websites, and today I'm here again with a legit website. So, in today's video, I'm going to share Hilly Device website reviews, and apart from that, we will also discuss is Hilly Device legit or not. So, watch the video till end, guys, and let's get started. This is the homepage of this website, and this online portal provides medical devices equipped with the latest science and technology to manage and control muscle pain and soreness related to arthritis. So the devices the company is offering are approved by the US FDA and is not like any other ordinary devices. So I think this is one of the amazing things about this website, guys. And further, the Hilly device price might appear high, but it is at per as per the quality it delivers and results in its claim to provide. So there are so many people who are confused about the legitimacy of this website due to some reasons. So let's talk about the legitimacy of this website. So this website is known for promoting the concept of well-being and balance achievement. And the device was designed in alliance with doctors and practitioners, keeping in mind all parameters very well. Guys, before buying anything online, it is really very important to check the legitimacy of a website, whether the website is legit or not. So when it comes to the online purchase from this website, here is a con of shopping from Hilly Device, which is the portal does not share its contact details in any form. I think this is a bad sign because contact us information is really very important and is a factor that shows legitimacy of a website. And apart from that, some of the informative content about its devices and the science behind it, but no clear details about shipping or returns. And I think we all know that shipping and refund policies are also very important and shows that the website is legit. So at this website, we are only able to see the privacy column, terms of use, right of revocation, and product categories. So this is the point that you need to consider before making any decision. Don't become a victim of cyberfish. Of course, if you are planning to buy this device, then do more research and read unbiased reviews to get more information about this particular website. Guys, it is clear from the website and its several reviews online that it is not any scam because we found various positive reviews about this device on various social media platforms as well. So there might be endless apps and technology-based devices available, but Hilly device price appears to be best amongst the available options. So decision is yours, guys. We try to provide possible detailed information. Though these devices are useful and the portal is looking authentic, but the lack of contact information and various informative details like shipping and refund policy needs more research about this website. So I think I have done with the information. Do more research. Do share your thoughts and opinions regarding this website or product. It will definitely give benefits to other customers as well before reviewing this website. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Have a good day. Thank you.